Hello, this is Father Rowan Rebustilio, and I'm from the Diocese of Sorsogon and currently a guest priest at the Christ the King Green Meadows. Yung ating pong pagninilayan ngayon sa araw na to is from the Gospel of Luke, which is a continuation of what is popularly known as the Road to Emmaus. Okay, in our gospel reading today, we have the two disciples who encountered Jesus on their way to Emmaus, and eventually recognizing him, sa breaking of the bread, they came back to Jerusalem and be with the other disciples. And in this passage, we heard that again, Jesus Christ appeared to them together with the rest of the disciples. And the first words that Jesus Christ uttered is, "Peace be with you, and fear not." What is really interesting in this gospel passage is that he showed his wounds to the disciples to assure them that it is him. It is the same Jesus that they knew before he was crucified on the cross. It is the same Jesus na kasama nilang naglakad for 3 years in his public ministry. So it is the same Jesus that they are encountering now post-resurrection because he bears the wounds of his crucifixion. But at the same time, it is also the same Jesus who ate with them. That's why Jesus Christ asked for food. Sabi ni Jesus Christ, ano ang pwede nating kainin dito? And this is really a proof that Jesus Christ is true God and true man. Na yung tinatawag nating hypostatic union that happened during the incarnation of Jesus Christ in the womb of Mary during the Annunciation ay hindi natapos sa kanyang kamatayan sa krus. But in fact, that hypostatic union continues even until now. So until now, si Jesus Christ po ay true God and true man pa rin. At ibig sabihin nito, when Jesus Christ assumed our state as human beings, He never abandoned us even for a single moment. So dala-dala pa rin ni Kristo ang kanyang pagkatao. And because dala-dala ni Kristo ang kanyang pagkatao, para tayong mga broken vessels, that amidst the brokenness that we have, God, si Jesus ay kinumpuni muli tayo, binuong muli tayo. At sa pagbubuong muli ni Kristo sa ating pagkatao sa pamamagitan ng kanyang pagkamatay at pagkabuhay muli, ay binigyan tayo ng tinatawag na makabahagi sa kanyang glorious resurrection. And that reminds me of this very beautiful Japanese art of putting together broken vessels, which they call kintsugi. Kintsugi means gold. So it's about putting together broken vessels by putting gold so that it will be renewed. It will not just be restored to its original state, but it will be transformed. So we are transformed in the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Our humanity is not denied in His resurrection. Our humanity is transformed. Our humanity is glorified through the glorious resurrection of Jesus Christ our Lord. So we have this hope that tayo ay kasama natin si Jesus at hindi tayo iniiwan, and when He is with us, we are transformed into His image. So that brings us back to the book of Genesis. We are created in the image and likeness of God, and we will continue to be the images and likenesses of God because God is with us.